how to fix call unavailable issue on WhatsApp iPhone. So if you want to fix call unavailable issue on your WhatsApp iPhone, then what you need to do is, now this might happen for a few different reasons. If you're being blocked, or if that person deleted the WhatsApp account, or if you have the minor glitches with the applications. So the first thing you guys can do is simply go ahead and open up your WhatsApp application, and you try to send a text message to the person. Just say hi or hello to just see wherever the messages, to see whether the message has been sent or not. Now, if the message gets sent, then you don't have to worry about it. The person didn't block you. But if the message has not been sent, then it means that you have been blocked. In that case, you cannot actually call them unless they unblock you from their iPhone. The second reason could be especially when the person deleted their WhatsApp account from their iPhone or Android. So what you can actually do is I'd recommend you guys to just go ahead and tap on the profile name and copy their number, which will be right here, and try calling that person directly from your phone application, just to ensure whether they have deleted the WhatsApp account or not. Now, even before you do that, you can do a couple more things. You can just open up your settings and then scroll all the way down, tap on apps. And then from your apps, you need to just scroll down and then find WhatsApp. Once you find WhatsApp, you need to tap on it and make sure to enable the background app refresh and then live activities, these two options. After that, just go back, and here you need to just go with the general section. Under general, you need to go with iPhone storage and then select WhatsApp and then tap on offload app and then again reinstall it. And after reinstalling, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix call unavailable issue on your WhatsApp iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.